In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Replit and GitHub. We're going to move your code from a Replit project to GitHub and then download the repository as a zip so you can open it in your local code editor. I'll keep it simple and add helpful context so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening your project on Replit in your browser. Once the workspace loads, look toward the top for the Git option in the toolbar. Click it to open the Git panel. This is where Replit shows the source control view for your project. Inside that Git panel, find the small settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Click it to open the Git integration settings. Here, make sure your GitHub account is connected to Replit. If you haven't connected it before, you'll see a prompt to sign in and authorize access so Replit can push changes to your repositories. Double check that you're signed into the correct GitHub account since your code will go to whatever account is linked here. Once you've verified the connection, return to the Git panel. If you've made changes in your Replit project, you should see them listed. Review what's changed, then push your updates by selecting the Push option on the right side. If Replit asks for a message, write a short, clear summary of what changed so your history stays understandable later. After pushing, wait for the confirmation that the process is complete. A quick refresh of the panel can help confirm everything is synced. Next, head over to GitHub in your browser and open the repository that's connected to the project. This lets you verify that your latest changes are online. You should see your files and recent commits matching what you pushed from Replit. From the repository page, click the code button near the top right of the file list. In the drop-down, choose Download Zip. Your browser will download a compressed copy of the repository to your computer. When it finishes, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract or unzip it, and then open the resulting folder in your preferred code editor. Most editors let you open a whole folder so you can see the complete project structure. If your editor prompts you about trusting the folder or enabling recommended settings, accept those